Hey guys, welcome back to another video guys. On my way to get nuts from work. It's the middle of the day and it's coming up to the weekend. Really excited. Actually nuts don't work tomorrow, so today our weekend starts today, so she will be happy. But anyways guys, I just want to touch base with you guys quickly to say thank you to a very special subscriber. Her name is Charlie. Charlie, thank you so much. And what am I saying thank you for? So Charlie reached out to me via email the other day, and in that email she literally asked me for my address. And what did she do? She bought us a few boxes of Pediasure for Malika, and I cannot tell you guys how much I appreciate that, how much we appreciate that. Hold on, let me park. Parking is hard. Parking is hard work, guys. All done. So as I was saying, guys, I cannot begin to tell you guys how much we appreciate that and how much it means to us to know that there is somebody out there who just saw fit to bless us in this way, right? So we just want to say thank you, Charlie. We really appreciate it, and there's no amount of words that can really adequately express how we feel. And even though you might be thinking it's something small, it's something great for us, because we're used to doing things on our own in regards to this, in regards to Malika, in regards to our family in general. So we just want to say thank you for looking out for us. Thank you for having our back. Really appreciate it, right? Anyways guys, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Gonna go and grab nuts. Let's see if she's ready. In case you guys want to know, that's where nuts work. Yeah guys, so nuts is not yet ready, so I am going for Malika instead first. Malika's school finished in another 5 minutes, so I was planning on picking up nuts then go to the school, but I'm gonna go to the school first and then go back for nuts. You know it is nuts will start drive, by the way. So all of you guys wondering if this would be easier if nuts is driving, it absolutely would be. I don't mind. My love language is act of service, so I actually love doing this for my family. But nuts is gonna be driving very soon too, right? So now I'm at Malika's school, gonna grab her, then go back and get her mother, and then call it a day. You guys so much.
Oh, yes. Looking?
How was your day today?
Looking very good.
Very good?
Yes. She is a lot more cooperative.
That's awesome.
Yes. And happy. Running in the gym, playing tag.
That's good.
Hey, close it.
What was it? Wow.
Oh,
Probably should get you to do more work at home.
Bye-bye.
Hey Malika, how was your day today? Had fun at school today? Come on, answer me. Yeah? I heard you had a good day today. Is it true? Is it true, Malika? So, yeah, Malika really like our new school. It's really bigger than our previous school, so it's an adjustment for us. But so far, so good. So now I'm going back on the road, go and pick up nuts, take you guys with me. Yes guys, so we're home. Say hi Malia. Come on. So drop off. This is our package. Small but greatly appreciated. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you, Malika.
Thank you.
Say thank you.
you.
Really appreciate it. You guys have no idea. Small, but we are grateful. We are really grateful. So as you guys know, it was Malia's birthday the other day, and a part of the package is another gift for Malia. Say thank you, Malia.
Thank you.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Take off your jacket. Malika, you got your pita shirt? Say thank you. Yeah. Malia, you got another gift.
I get another again.
Oh. Did he
Say thank you, Charlie.
Thank you, Daddy. No, Daddy.
For your birthday gift. You got another birthday gift. She just wants you to open that for her.
Here we go.
Open this one.
Open.
This is for me.
That's for you. It's another birthday gift. That one's from Charlie.
Open this one.
Please.
Please.
Yes, guys. So we just dropped off the kids at Rochelle and Marvel, Malika, Malia, and Zoe. We're gonna go to Costco now to just grab a few stuff, and then we're gonna go just probably no frills.
No fruits or dollar store.
Our dollar store. We don't know where we're going yet, but we're going on the road. We're going on the road, guys. So come along. I just want to say, if you guys are watching this video and haven't yet subscribed, please take a second to hit that subscribe button. Smash a like on this video, guys, and always leave a comment. We always appreciate it. All right, guys. On the road right now, out and about. Beautiful Thursday night. Sun is shining. Weather is sweet. Let's do it, guys.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
You cold? Look at that sunset.
Look at my table.
That time of year. Man, this festive so man will look good on the decoration, I think. Nah, we don't need it.
My family, you have to buy more.
Oh, you have to buy it for
Yes, for it's a family.
entire family. They're supposed to love in the sun. They say you can't just buy a mother or a daughter. Shoe bread, $7.99. $34. Can always depend on Costco.
$33.
$32. I have 32,
31.
32.45, 32.97, 31. I see a 31. I see a 31.55. I see a 31.77. Definitely 31 is cheapest, but we need another one. So where's the other third one? I thought there was another third one. Yeah. 31.64. Okay. Cheap, I activated. Turkey season. 23. 23.51, 23.38, 23.38. Okay. That's a crab legs, babes. Lobster tail. $600. A good thing I don't like lobster.
I don't go shrimp.
Yeah, I'd buy the shrimp, but we don't need it
I don't
now.
want a shrimp.
Crab legs, we need. Huh? No, I'm just looking at the price. $54. Okay, just that. No, not at all. Them one are the cheaper one, them, you know? $39.
Elsha beef.
I got Elsha.
Why go food, man? Look at seafood. I'm taking the seafood.
You have the
So you have, what's this?
huh? You want this?
Yeah.
$15. 17. Guys, cheap eye activated. Yeah, that's the cheapest one. Okay. Yeah.
$4. This is my pot.
What's that?
Cod.
Catfish? I think we bought it one time. Seafood section. Tilapia. Them just sliced them and got them.
Raised without
Raise it out antibiotics. $35. Salmon. The last time we bought avocado in here, we never saw hot, you know. But that was the one time we ever was disappointed. So hopefully everything is good now. Yes guys, so now we're at Walmart. Going into Walmart just to buy a belt. Because since I've been losing weight, my belt size is going down. Tell them the babes. Tell them the babes. So I'm going to get myself a belt according to my size right now. Let's do it, guys. Winter jacket, Walmart style. That's nice. How much for it? Is our price? It's not bad. The only thing is I go buy it and I go see everybody else see that. Like the degrees? No, this is more like a fall jacket. Or spring. Fall, that's definitely fall or spring. Oh, we definitely need toques and stuff. Oh, Walmart has stuff up on thing, man. They always have it?
Yes. Always have the section.
I haven't noticed. Oh, the lumberjack? It's warm? But you need what? You don't have one of them already?
I don't have one of them.
Yes.
It just look like it. It's different material.
Okay. How much for it? Cover? No, I'm joking. I know that's for the t-shirt. No price?
The price is on it. $40.
That's not bad. Walmart step up them thing, man. Oh, babes, a Christmas pajama already, you know? Well, I forget it early rather than last minute as usual. Can you get anything you want at this time? Yeah, this sound like a mountain problem. Not now. Belt. It's wallets. Huh?
George section.
Mattel said these them never have so much options. This they did not have so much options. So much more options. You remember seeing so much options? You know? Exactly. This nice.
49.
It's not bad. That nice one.
400 people. All these.
Yeah, or just like -5 tops. Yeah. Okay. Let's find my size in a belt, guys. Let's do it. I just down to this slim size. I don't know what's my.
Just put it around your measure.
Okay. Now this one is large. Coming down from 2XL. Ooh. 99% sarcasm. You think I'm sarcastic? You should hear what I don't say. That's funny. Let's see. What's the drop off for my guys? TMI? No? They don't need to know that?
No.
Okay. Where's this? See this? Exactly. It's good to go.
Large.
Yeah, I love it. Yes, I've never had a belt in a long while. This short. Anyways, what's the price?
Where did you get it from?
Right here. Don't see the price on it. $22, guys. And you know why I like these belts? Black, brown, two-sided. Depends on the outfit. So if you guys see me in this belt, this is where I got it, in Walmart. Let's go. Okay, self-checkout.
Yeah.
One little dead belt. Nothing else. This is the last stop we have on our list for today. We're now in No Frills. Just grabbing some fruits and veggie and seasoning, mostly. Because we don't need bulk. So we didn't buy these in Costco. We just need a little bit for carry us through. Buying a baby strawberry? No time? Yeah, there's none. There's mint. Got strawberry? We bought the fish. I want okra. Okra, the right, my mom's in there.
The meat. Go back there.
Eggplants. You know I don't like eggplants.
I don't like you.
I don't know. I don't know if people like eggplant. But everybody's different. Let me not say that. Don't need much. Just grab. Yeah, exactly. You want the stemless one?
What is the difference between that one and that one?
Longer
Longer
stem.
stem, short stem.
Short stem.
You said long stem and short stem instead of
And
long stem.
the stemless one cheaper too. $3.49.
Short stem. Still have stem on it.
$2.49. Okay, babes. Short stem.
Short stem.
Shorter stem.
Short.
Did you pick up garlic? No? Oh, garlic probably over that side. I also want to buy this garlic. This is what I see on my board. Grapes? Okay.
Yeah, eat off blueberry. One. I was the only one that eat blueberry.
She eat up all the fruits in the house.
When we buy it. I don't know if that's right.
Yeah, you don't want those. I don't want mango. What mango? Good old yellow yams. That's it. That's the one tomato.
It's up to you.
They didn't have any cabbage. No?
Not the small ones.
The small ones. No, I don't need it. Let's go and get. Thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you haven't already subscribed, please take a second and hit that subscribe button. Smash a like on this video and leave a comment. Again, I want to thank Charlie for sending us those gifts. Really, really appreciate it. Until next time, see you guys in the next video. Peace.